And now millions of Americans are expected to get cut from Medicaid, which may put even more eyes on North Carolina. And the reason why is because lawmakers here chose to expand Medicaid for thousands of low-income people a year and a half ago.
Kimberly King joins us live outside of the Western Carolina Ministry Homeless Shelter, where she has their reaction. Kim.
So, Patrick, for many on Medicaid, the big headline in this story is the new work requirement. Any able-bodied American aged 19 to 64 must be either working, volunteering, training to work, or in school. We met Sarah Adams inside Western Carolina Rescue Ministries.
I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to get myself back on my feet.
She came to Asheville Monday, now homeless.
And without help, you can't. You cannot get yourself back on. You're going to stay stuck where you are.
We have people who can't work.
Shelter Director Michael Woods says he's worried about Medicaid and food stamp cuts for people he says need help.
Organizations like mine that have begun to prepare because we're anticipating what's coming. We're going to see people who were getting health care today not get health care tomorrow.
And operators are telling us already that Medicaid reimbursement rates are very tight, which makes delivery of services difficult.
Chris Fink works as an appointed volunteer visiting Medicaid-supported nursing and assisted living homes to make sure they meet state standards.
It's hard to imagine that further cuts to Medicaid rates wouldn't have to affect services.
Time will tell if people like Sarah will lose eligibility. Reports predict around 8 million Americans could lose Medicaid coverage. Just this year, the state announcing Medicaid expansion had 650,000 more low-income residents enrolled in fewer than 18 months in the state.
Once people they have a little help and they start getting on their feet, I think that's okay as a requirement. But when they're down, when you're first homeless or whatever, and you're down and your body's not working right and you need help.
Now, other key headlines from the new bill include an additional $6,000 for senior citizens for the standard deduction. And also, if you buy an American car, potentially you can take $10,000 off the interest rate from your taxable income. Reporting live from downtown Asheville, Kimberly King, News 13.